Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Yeah. Effect of What is the effect of parental sex in Huntington disease? What is the effect of parental sex in Huntington's disease? So if you see genes inherited, there are genes which are inherited from the father and there are genes which are inherited from the mother. So first, genes which are inherited from the father. If the Huntington disease gene, that is CAG repeat, is inherited from the father, then there is early onset disease is seen in the offspring, and the effect of anticipation is seen strongly if the disease is originated from the father. What is this effect of anticipation? Anticipation means that there is if you see, if the grandfather has the disease at the age of 60 years, then his son, if the grandfather has the disease at the age of 60 years, then the son will have the disease at the age of 50 years, whereas the grandson will have the disease at the age of 30 years only. So as the generation passes, the age of occurrence of the disease decreases, so earlier will be the disease. So in successive generations will develop the disease at an early age. Okay, so this is effect of anticipation is seen strongly if the gene is inherited from the father. Then the second possibility is the gene is inherited from the mother. Okay, if the gene is inherited from the mother, then what happens? If the gene is inherited from the mother, there is late onset disease, and the anticipation effect of anticipation um, is less if the gene is inherited from the mother.
thank you and thank you for watching.